Yes, welcome to my channel. Okay, and I've got another view. I got another video for today. So, what over here is the quick update of my mobile gaming, right? So, I also I also play some mobile games. So since some other games is cannot be playable in my handheld consoles, right? So, all right, without further ado, let's gonna start it up. So I've got two mobile gaming right over here. So this one right here is the Tecno. And also we've got the itel A70. So these phones are from Philippines when I bought this one, right? So for only a cheaper price, yeah. And it's also a really good one also. And then, yes, and I really like it a lot also, right? So since it is good for gaming, all right. So, okay, gonna have to start it up, okay. I'm gonna start it up, so... Okay. So here it goes. Okay. And we've got right here are the two mobile games. So first is I'm gonna have to go with the Tecno. Right? So since not just only games right over here, so I've got some first person shooters right over here, and also got some marvels, right? So here it goes. So gonna have to show to you. Okay, we've got the Warface. Okay, we've got some Warface Go Global Operatives. We've got some Infinity Ops. Okay, Cyberpunk FPS, Call of Duty Mobile, okay, and we've got some Aether Gazer right over here, and we've got some Call of Duty. Okay, this one right here are recent games that I played, right? So let's go, gonna have to letter A. So we've got the letter A right over here. We got some Aether Gazer, we got some Call of Duty, Marvel Champions. We've got some Marvel Future Fight. We've got some Honor of Kings, Infinity Ops, okay, Cyberpunk FPS. So first person shooter. We've got some Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, okay, Mobile Legends, okay. And also we've got right over here some Marvel Strike Force. And also I've got some Urban Heat, okay. Nice game also. I really like this game, right? I really like this game, Urban Heat. And we've got some Warface Go, Global Operative. So not too many games is because the bigger the game will be updated, the bigger the memory will also decrease in the system, right? So okay, let's go get overhead to the itel A70, which is, yeah, there's so many games right over here. Okay, we got also to the letter A, so we're gonna have I'm not relying to the recent. So I've got an Ace Alliance, okay. We've got some Apex Girls, Arena of Valor, Asphalt 8 Urban, Bleach Brave Souls. We've got some Brawl Stars, okay. Champion Strike, okay. And then also we've got some Disney Heroes, okay. And Ecos Heroes Assemble, yeah. Fairy Tail, Fierce Fight, okay. And then I got that here is also Game of Thrones Legends. Love this game. Harry Potter. So Game of Thrones Legends is a puzzle RPG, right? And it's also Harry Potter puzzles, and I forgot is Heroes, Star Wars Heroes, okay. And then we've got some DC's Heroes and Villains. We've got some Infinite Magic Raid, Injustice 1, and also Injustice 2, Legends of Ace, MOBA game, okay. We've got some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Legends, okay, for short, TMNT Legends, okay. We got some Looney Tunes, Marvel Duel, Marvel Mystic Mayhem. We've got some Nitro Nation right over here, and we've got some Pokemon Masters EX, Pokemon Quest, Pokemon Shuffle, Pokemon Unite, Pokemon Cafe Remix. Also, I got some Polygon Arena, Power Rangers Legacy, I think, yeah, Real Car Racing Sim, okay, okay. And also, I got some Smash Legends, Marvel Snap right over here, and also got some superheroes and puzzles, Transformers Earth Wars, Ultimate Dragon, yeah, it's a Dragon Ball game, and also we've got the Z Warriors Unleashed, which I have some problem with the game, so because I can't play it, right? So, but it is a really good game. Okay, it is a really good. So, gonna have to, yeah, got that. Okay. So, one good thing about mobile gaming also is you can bring it anywhere, right? So if you want to, but I cannot use this phone in here. It's because it doesn't have supporting career, and also mobile, and also smartphones from Philippines is having some 4G, right? So it is still not on 5G. So mostly smartphones right here in USA are now supporting 5G network, right? So I don't know if Philippines already adopt the 5G network already. So yeah, but I still I still can like that one right over there. So I can also record this one. Yes, okay, yeah, I can also screen record this. So right over here is the screen record for the screen recorder, and also right here built-in screen recorder. So I think mostly of the phone today has a built-in screen recorder to record the game, right? So because mobile gaming is now like this one right over, yeah, that one, yeah. So it is also, I really like it also because for example, Call of Duty Mobile. So there is a Call of Duty for the PlayStation, right? So, but and also Warface Clutch is available in Nintendo Switch, right? So I don't know if it's gonna be available for the PlayStation, right? And for the Pokemon, so only available game for the Pokemon is for the Nintendo Switch is Pokemon Unite, and it's also Pokemon Quest, and also the Pokemon Champions, which is a good one also, right? So some Marvel games, so yeah, Marvel games just like this one. I hope that, and also Injustice, right? So Injustice game already in the PlayStation, right? Injustice 2. But yeah, MOBA games such like Arena of Valor is in Nintendo Switch, but you cannot play. It's because of this, yeah, of the matchmaking is taking too long, right? So that is why having trouble. So, yeah. So yeah, and then also some games that Marvel also just only have the mobile game. So highly mobile gaming is increasing, right, for the people that really wanted to play in mobile version. So they got the mobile version, the Warframe also, and also they got also the mobile version for the Crossout Legends, right? So yeah, that is a tank, mobile tank. Okay, so like that one. So this is our only my two. This is the two my two mobile gaming, right? So yeah. So all right. So yeah, I think it's not too long for the video today. All right, and also I hope you enjoy watching, and thank you so much. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so that you will notify of the upcoming future videos. Okay, one thing is also head over to the settings. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, yeah. It's the storage, right? So I'm gonna have to check the storage. So 93%. Okay, so gonna have to like that one, right? So storage for that one. So but right over here is really really not for the, where's that dumb setting? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get over to this one right over. There you go. So yeah, there you go. You got some storage, right? There you go. Yeah, apps is 82.91 gigabyte, right? So app management right over here. So yeah, app list. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So, alright. So, I think that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. And thank you so much for watching. And, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one. Alright?